I am Dikshita welcomes you to my new channel Geopedia. I will be making a lots of video on geography from middle school to graduation level. In my first video, I am going to discuss with you about map scale, which is a very important topic in geography. True representation of the Earth on the map is only possible if the maps are equal to the corresponding size of various features on the ground. But this is not possible due to non-availability of large size of paper and drawing a large size is difficult. So to overcome this problem while preparing map of Earth or a part of it, we decide how much ground distance should be represented by a map distance. This is known as scale of the map. Therefore, scale is the ratio between the distance of any 2 points on the map and the actual distance of the same points on the ground. Representation of mapped scale. Map scale can be represented by three ways: statement of scale, numeric ratio scale, graphical scale. Statement of scale. In this method, we make a statement about the scale, such as 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer, or say 1 inch to 1 mile, and etc. This indicates that 1 centimeter on the map represents 1 kilometer on the ground, or 1 inch on the map represents 1 meter on the ground. This is a very simple method which is understood even by a common people. For example, if we tell an ordinary man that the scale of the map is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, he would immediately understand that 1 centimeter on the map corresponds to the 1 kilometer on the ground. It requires very little time to express this scale. It gives correct idea about the distance. It can be understood only by those who are familiar with unit of measurement used. For example, if we say that the scale of a map is 1 centimeter corresponds to 1 kilometer, it would be understood by only that person who is familiar with the metric system of the measurement. When a map is reduced or enlarged from the original, the scale does not remain the same. This creates a problem. Numeric ratio scale. This is also known as representative fraction. In this case, the ratio existing between the length on the map and the actual length on the ground is indicated by a fraction whose numerator is always 1. This fraction is usually abbreviated as RF, thus representative fraction or RF is equals to map distance by ground distance. The most important point to be noted in this connection is that the unit of measurement of distance in numerator and denominator is the same. For example, if we say that RF of the map is 1 by 10,000 or 1 is to 10,000, it means that the 1 unit on the map represents 10,000 units on the ground. If the unit of measurement is centimeter, we will say that 1 centimeter on map represents 10,000 centimeter on the ground. If, however, the unit of measurement is inch, then we will say that 1 inch on the map represents 10,000 inches on the ground. Since it is only a fraction and is independent of any particular unit of measurement, it can be used in all countries. Even if person is not familiar with various units such as inches, centimeters, he can easily use this scale. Graphical scale. Graphical scale is also known as plane scale or linear scale. This is merely a straight line whose length is in certain proportion to the actual length on the ground. It is divided into primary and secondary division so that distance can easily be read from it. Distance can easily be measured with the help of linear scale if the map is photographically enlarged or reduced, the graphical scale is also enlarged or reduced in the same ratio and remains true to the map. Like statement of scale, this scale can only be used by those who are familiar with the unit of measurement used in the scale. It requires little time in drawing a graphical scale. Graphical scale are of three types: comparative linear scale, diagonal scale, Vernier scale. Comparative linear scale. It is an ordinal or rank order scale that can also be referred to as no matrix scale. Respondent evaluate two or more objects at one time and objects are directly compared with one another. Diagonal scale. Diagonal scale are used to measure or read up to the 3 unit. For example, centimeter, decimeter, millimeter, or miles for long and etc. This scale is used for minute distance such as 0.11 mm are to be accurately measured or when measurements are required up to second decimal place. Vernier scale, a small movable auxiliary graduated scale attached parallel to a main scale and calibrated to indicate fractional part of the subdivision of the large scale. It is used for accurate measurement and for a precise measurement. If you have liked my video, then do hit the like button below.